How does Irish Gaelic compare to Manx and other Goidelic languages? If you're curious about the similarities and differences between Irish Gaelic, Manx, and other Goidelic languages, you're in the right place. Let's explore these fascinating languages and see how they compare. First off, all three languages, Irish Gaelic, Manx, and Scottish Gaelic, belong to the Goidelic branch of the Celtic language family. This means they share a common ancestry and many linguistic features. For instance, all three languages are VSO, verb-subject-object languages, meaning the verb comes first in a sentence, followed by the subject and then the object. Irish Gaelic, or simply Irish, is the native language of Ireland and has a rich literary and cultural tradition. It is the first official language of the Republic of Ireland and is widely spoken on the island. Scottish Gaelic, on the other hand, is primarily spoken in Scotland, especially in the Highlands and the Hebrides. It is also an official language in Scotland. Manx Gaelic, or Manx, is spoken on the Isle of Man, a self-governing British Crown dependency in the Irish Sea. Although Manx became extinct as a native language in the 20th century, it has seen a revival in recent years with efforts to teach and promote it on the island. One of the key similarities among these languages is their grammatical structure. All three languages use initial consonant mutation, where the beginning of a word changes depending on the grammatical context. They also use inflected prepositions and have similar verb conjugations. In terms of pronunciation, each language has its unique sounds and intonations. For example, Manx has vowel lengthening or diphthongization before certain consonants, which is different from Ulster Irish and some Scottish Gaelic dialects. Manx also changes historical consonant clusters in a way similar to Connacht and Ulster Irish. Personal pronouns in these languages also show some similarities. In Manx, for instance, there is a TV distinction where the second-person singular pronoun u is used for familiarity, while the second-person plural shiu is used as a respectful singular and with plural reference. Irish and Scottish Gaelic have similar distinctions. Mutual intelligibility is another interesting aspect. While each language has distinct regional variations, speakers of one Goidelic language can to some extent understand and communicate with speakers of another. For example, Manx is somewhat mutually intelligible with Irish, despite some differences in writing systems and pronunciation. The writing systems of these languages also vary. Irish and Scottish Gaelic have traditionally used classical Gaelic orthography, whereas Manx, due to historical reasons, began to use English orthography. This difference in writing systems makes Manx look quite distinct on paper compared to the other two languages. In summary, while Irish Gaelic, Manx, and Scottish Gaelic share many common roots and linguistic features, each has its own unique characteristics in terms of pronunciation, grammar, and writing systems. Understanding these similarities and differences can help you appreciate the rich diversity within the Goidelic language family.